Roja from Samskriti Jewelers, Hyderabad, and today's show will be all about 9 to 5 silver with 22 karat gold plated, the way we have mentioned on the top. We have given our WhatsApp number also. I know I have to wait for people to join in. It's taking, there is I guess couple of minutes of lag by the time I start, and then by the time you people get to see there. As I always say, I don't see any views yet. I don't see any people joining in yet. Okay, few people are thoda sa coming. Come join. So yes, as said, it will be all 9 to 5 silver. Nice. Sandhya, hi. Manvita, hi. How are you? Kalyani, hi. How are you? Soumya, hi. So, Lalita, hi. I'm good. How are you? So, today's show will be again, as said, it's all about 9 to 5 silver with 22 karat gold plated. Not much of the stock. I'm going to show a couple of designs here and there, and I'll be showing few bangles. One nice pretty Ganesha bangle. Let me start showing you the products here, so that let's not waste time. It's already delayed as usual. I am running late by 40 minutes. Every single time I plan to do it on, like, when I say 6 o'clock, I really want to start at 6 o'clock, but again. Saujanya, hi. Andy, Mirela unnaru. I am doing good. Sunita, hi. Rania, hi. Shweta, hi dear. How are you? So, hi. Ravali, hello unnaru. Manjula, hi. Ikkada, Karimnagara, where are you? Vani, hi. Very namaste. How are you? Sir Mani Venkat, hi. Okay, so let me start showing you the products. Padma Vijayasri, what's on show? What's today on show? It's all, these are the few products. These are the products I'm going to show today. Not many again. Tejavati, hi. Manoja, hi. Manjula, hi. Good. How are you, Manjula? Okay. This pendant we have shown already, and again yet, we get orders for this. So it's made on order for one of the client. But again, if you want to place an order for this, you can do that again. The pendant alone is 11,500. It's a huge one, about 2.5-3 inches like length, and with 3x3 cutting here it is. And the pendant, generally we say them as tiger nail pendants, but trust me, these are not the original tiger nails. The scissors used are the original scissors. The middle, you see the pear-shaped stone is the pota stones. All the small red stones are also pota stones. We need to add pearls in the bottom. Few people are requested to add pearls. Few have asked us to add rubies. So based on whatever the customer choice, we are going to add the beads or the pearls. Whomsoever I have missed, saying a hi. A very good evening to everybody who have joined now. And hope everybody is doing great. Sirisha, hi. Preeti, hi. Rahan, hi. Anita, hi. Okay, so as it Nichara, hi. Okay, the pendant is as said, 11,500 is the pendant. It is a detachable pendant. When we say detachable, there is no attachment. It's not, the hook is not soldered to the pendant there. It's a detachable, and it's a huge back hook. So it fits into any beads. Actually, it fits into any beads. And you see the hallmark, 9 to 5 hallmark here. Uma, hi. Kavya, the pendant is 11,500 ma, and the chain is 6,800. So if you want, you can order the chain also separately. Shivani, hi. Kalpana, hi. Monica, hi. Vani Srinivas, hi. So if you want the chain alone, it's 6,800. It's about 18 inches long chain. The gold beads you see are in the silver with 22 karat gold plated. The pearls used are the freshwater cultured pearls. Swaraski vettes aipotundega. Sumalata, hi. Sulochana, hi. Hi everyone. So this one is an about 18 inches long chain. You can purchase the chain also separately, and this is priced at 6,800. If you want to go with the pendant is 11,500. So if you want to purchase them separately, you can do that too. And as said, it's a very matte finish pendant. It's not of a yellowish gold plating. It's more of a matte finish. Little dull polish here. No Preeti, no black beads ma today. We haven't planned black beads for today. And as said, all our products will be having a 9 to 5 hallmark here, or somewhere on the product, but you'll see a hallmark. And the scissor stones are the original ones. Roshni, hi. Sumalata, hi. Madhavi, hi. Yeah. Sudha Komal, hi. Okay, this one is another pretty sapphire stone necklace. This also fits for kids also. If you are looking for a small baby, like it looks good for 2 years old. I mean, if you want to wear it for a 1 year old also, you can do that too. But generally, it looks pretty for 2 years and up. So you can wear it. You can say it's as a baby necklace also, baby chain, small chain. It's about 14 inches long only. Small, cute, 14 inches long. You have these solitaire cut caesar stones, and all the blue stones you see are the semi-precious sapphires over there. This is not gold, this is not glass or plastic. These are the semi-precious sapphires, and these pear-shaped stones you see, the solitaire cut stones, they are the real hi, okay, sorry. This one is 18,500. And these are the earrings, screw style earrings, very light in weight. Ankita, hi. See this on the background, it's giving a little glare, but no, it looks amazingly pretty outside. It has a darker version, not the lighter ones. These have a nice darker version, and it's about 1.5 inch long, not much, and it fits perfectly for anyone. As said, it's screw style earrings, and with the pair of earrings, it's priced at 18,500. Yeah, with the earrings, it's 18,500. Mamta, that's 18,500. Sita Mahalakshmi, how are you? Lata Rao, hi. Ram Saran, very good evening. Shma Ryans, hi. Okay. Gitu, hi. Sadhu Malati. The price for the earlier solitaire sapphire stone necklace is 18,500 ma. Sonam Shukla, they look much more beautiful in real. Trust me, than in the videos, they look much more pretty outside. Mary, hi, Ramsaran, we should but how much please? I didn't get you, Ramsaran, what are you asking? Sadhu Malati, the price of Puligoru pendant is 11,500. Shilpi, hi, I'm good. How are you? Same here, long time. Arpita, hi. Vani Ramesh. Hello, hi, how are you? Garu. Okay, this one is the pendant alone is 9,200. If you want to go with the pendant alone is 9,200. And these whatever we have added are the original rubies. See, in original also we get all different shades, different shape, sizes and qualities of the rubies. So this one we have the original one, and this pendant, it has no back hook. Okay, if you want to purchase the pendant, then make sure that it has to be done from the provisions given on the sites. It has no back hook, so you can't just wear it with any of your chain. This particular pendant is not with a back hook, so please make a note of it. If you want to order the pendant alone, that can be done too, which is 9,200 is the price of the pendant alone. With the beads will be costing you around 16,500. So with the beads and the pendant, it would be around 25,700. So let's round it off to 25,500 would be the set price. 25,500 would be the price. Hi Harika, how are you? Pompey, very good evening. How are you? Anushka, hi, how are you? Sudha, hello, how are you? Nandana, bondi, hi. Thank you, Vaishali, thank you so much. Dharani, thank you. Okay, it's beautiful. Is there any return price for this? Yes, Rania, the return price would be for the pendant. The pendant, since it's being silver, we will take it back. On the exchange price would be 40% on the MRP. So let's say if it's 9,000, you'll be getting 3,600 back, and that won't be the cash. You have to take it for another product or something like that. Malati, hi ma, happy evening. Is it silver with gold plated? Yes ma'am, it's silver gold plated, and very good evening Malati ma'am. Kavita Mani, emerald bangles please. Maybe, I guess one design is there in the emerald bangles. I'll show you that too. Purnachandra pranamamulu meeku kuda. Aarti, hi. Renuka, hello. Meenakshi, hi. Nice name, Meenakshi. Okay, so this one is 25,500. There are no earrings for this. If you want, we can match some earrings or can can make some pair of earrings. But as said, the pendant is 9,200. It's the CZ stones again with the Pota stone. This is not the ruby stone or something. It's a Pota stone. The white glare or the white stones you see are the CZ stones, and it is in a matte finish. A little more of a, not matte as the earlier one. There is a little difference in both of these matte finishes. The Puligoru pendant and this one. I'll show you the difference here. Okay. Puligoru matte is a more of a Geru polish kind of, and this is more of yellowish finish. See, everything is in gold plated only, but you can see the difference in the polish of the material. So based on the design, based on the stones used, there will be the variation in the finish that comes onto the product. So let's say if you're going to make the same one next time, we might not be possible to get the exact same finish of the product. There will be little variation both in the weight and in the finish of the product also. So let's do this. This is 25,500, and let me move on to the other product here. This one, I would say, this idea was given by one of our customer to us. She wanted to get it done this way, and I really fell in love with the way this being done. And then, we thought maybe, we'll show this in the live today. And yes, this is a pretty one. I mean, like, it's not like a traditional kind of thing. It's not very heavy. It's more of a contemporary. You can wear it with any of the attires. Like, it looks good on other saris or lehengas or any dress. It looks much prettier. And if you want to have some pendant in the between there, you can have a pendant also. This is in 6 strings. The strings used are the artificial ones. But these flower or the leaf ones, whatever we used, are the silver ones. Gold beads, ma? Okay, so only the leaves, whatever we have used, are the silver ones. Apart from that, everything else is in artificial, and this is going to cost you 6. Okay, around 7,000 rupees. There are no earrings for this, but this will be costing you 7,000 rupees based on the number of strings used. This particular thing we have used about 6 strings. So if you're going to use the 6 strings, and if it would be the same design, then it would be the 7,000 rupees would be the price. If you want to get the strings done in silver, we can do that too. Priyanka, very good evening. Jolly Das, hi. Next comes a pretty choker, or all-time favorite choker. It's a very flexible choker. It's a bridal one, very flexible one. Every time we make it, it turns out much prettier than the last time. Okay, and these are the CZ stones. The rubies and emeralds used are the semi-precious ones. And it's a very, very flexible choker, kind of a bridal choker though, but anyone can wear it. And it's kind of an, I guess some 12 years kids can wear, from 12 years and up. That looks much prettier. I don't think it look. Again, it's all personal choice. Even kids can wear this though. And these are the earrings, screw style. With a pair of earrings, this is priced at 54,500 rupees. For all the materials, for all the neck pieces, we are using a back dory, but again, as per the customer choice, we can use a dory or the chain. So when you are placing an order, let us know. Earrings, Bhavana, these are the earrings for this choker, ma. Ritu Sakar, very good evening. These are the earrings for this particular choker. Okay, and this is priced at 54,500. Next place, bangles, అది ఇప్పుడే చూపిస్తామా? అది ఇప్పుడు చూపించి మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్లో చూపిస్తాను నేను అది. Okay, these are the bangles. Prasanna, thank you. Ritu, the earlier choker with pair of earrings was priced at 54,500. Sandhya Reddy, heavy choker, but the earrings are very simple. If you want, we can match other earrings also, Sandhya. Like, it's not mandatory you have to take it with those earrings. You can come up with any earrings of your choice also. Okay. This is a very broad bangle. It's a open style kada. It's kind of, where is it? Yeah. This is the clip here. You have to push it down and then click it open. Mahalakshmi, Cheppandi, yes, hi Mahalakshmi Garu. So this is an open style kada bangle. Available sizes are 24, 26 and 28. 24 undi kada dintlo. or 2628 వచ్చినాయా 2628 ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేయవా ఒకసారి these are the emerald bangles again the seasoned stones used are the original ones and the middle stone the green stone you see is a semi precious stone it's a very broad one almost like you see 1 inch in width yeah more than 1 inch I would say kind of a 1 inch plus width bangle if you wear single bangle also it will be more than enough or you can just pair it with different style of bangles also and this is in rubies and this bangle each bangle is priced at 16,500 thank you Vinita each bangle is priced at 16,500 amma 26 and 28 వచ్చిందా okay these bangles are available in 26 and 28 so let's say the 26 since it's an open style it fits 28 also but I don't think 28 open style would fit 210 ki raadu so let's say shop is open on Sunday no Shravanti I'm so sorry we are closed on Sundays ma so that we can relax and we can start working the next week with more fresh mind and energy so Sundays mostly we are closed Sonam yes each of this bangle 26 is available Sonam and each of this bangle is priced at 16,500 it's a very huge broad and the weight is also more only for this it's about almost average 60 grams is the weight of single bangle we are talking about and then let's get on to the other small bangles Neelam Kumari very good evening the flower ones which I have shown last time the single cute ones and each of this is priced at 85 these are non-open style these are not open style kadas these are single bangles so if you want to purchase 24 then you have to clearly mention that it has to be 24 and 26 would be 26 and 28 would be 28 that's the way since they are not the open style and this one is also priced at 8,500 and there is one more bangle and this one is also priced at 8,500 so there are 3 designs blessy ee bangle okati broad bangle iyava okkasari idi inkokati iyava ee bangle okati ivu okkasari Priyanka Naresh hi how are you I'm just thinking how it would look if you pair this broad bangle with this side bangles oh no I'm just giving it a thought nice Shamala Devi hi you can wear this way also actually they look much thank you Priyanka thank you so much oh yeah maybe you can try wearing this way also they look amazingly pretty when you wear it's more of very broad version but yeah one side and the other side any which ways you're going to wear a watch or if you want you can wear this style also and the best Rajeshwari thank you and Sahil Gupta hello hi how are you greetings for Colombia oh Liliana thank you so much how are you how are things at Colombia hope everything is good okay the Ganesha bangle do you have diamond finished jewelry set yes Pamani we do have diamond finished jewelry set okay one of the pearl buttas untaya ear hangings లేవండి separate pearl buttas అని ఏమీ లేవు ప్రతి బుట్టకి కింద pearls యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు సో అకార్డింగ్ టు us అన్ని బుట్టాస్ pearl buttas కిందే yes Ritu Sarkar this ones each bangle is 85 Priyanka Naresh please show long chains I don't think we have any long chains assigned for today I'll try to but no okay Lakshmi Devi very good evening okay the prettiest bangles one of the prettiest designs we have done is this one you see the nice Ganesha 3D embossed Ganesha open style kada bangles in between you have the Ganesha Ji all over and then the sides we have done with the CZ stones it is kind of a more of a matte finish Vaisali hi how are you Poonam Patel hi no Poonam this is not gold can be made in gold but this is not gold so each bangle price kada blessing each of this bangle is priced at 11,500 each Ganesha bangle you see the prettiest Ganeshas here nicely even the Ganesha embossing is done pretty neat yeah trust me and all the sizes are available 24 26 28 are the sizes that are available in this again this is an open style kada bangle so it fits both 24 26 and 28 like if you're going for 24 it will fit 26 also ఇది ప్రాపర్గా పెట్టేసి సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్తో వస్తలేదు అది So the each of those Ganesha bangles is priced at 11.5. We have all sizes in that. Himani Sagar, hi. Yes, Prasanna, this is silver. Yes, silver. This is silver. Maybe, you know, even this type also, it looks good. Ganesha bang. It is mast beautiful, Lakshmi Garu. Trust me. Yes, we can deliver. We can. You can wear it this way also. You can club it this way. On single hand, you can wear it this way. Jhumka earrings. Hey, yes, Ritu Sarkar, we do have jhumka earrings. All those are already listed. Or you can pair it with this. Or maybe this. No, I felt much prettier with this. No, Sandeep, ఇది gold కాదు. This is not gold. This way. This looks much prettier, I guess. Yeah. Kirtana, hi. So the Ganesha bangle, each of the Ganesha bangle is priced at 11.5 and each of these 3-layered scissor bangle is priced at 8,500. Each of it. When I say each, that's not a pair. It's a single piece we are talking about. Poonam, we are from Hyderabad, Poonam. Okay. We are trying to show few ear chains also. Maybe, you know, Blissy. Urki itla chowki vatko. Okay, chowki vatkote telustadi. See, these are the silver ear chains or Champaswaralu. Rajni, there are no discounts, ma. This is not a discount show, Rajni. It's in, you know, the new arrival show. So there won't be any discounts. The prices, whatever we are quoting, are the final prices. Padma Vijay Sringaru, yes, 2/8 size is available. Okay, this is a 3-layered. This is a 3-layered Champaswaralu. Nenu levalanunta. No code, Poonam. There is no code. This is in Kundans and Pota stones. It's a standard length of Champaswaralu. Okay. So, and this is priced at 14,500. Yes, single is 11,500, Padmashri. Single is 11,500. Okay, this one is a pair of Champaswaralu is priced at 14,500 and then I have one more pair of Champaswaralu here which is priced at 10,500. This is all in Pota stones. All the Pota stones are of different shades. Some are dark, some are light, but they are not like, you know, damaged kind of, nothing of that sort, but it's just the stones that are being used here. And this Champaswaralu is priced at 10,500. Wow. Sorry. Then there is one more design here. No cash on delivery, Poonam. Padma Garu, the WhatsApp number is already given on the top. It's 8790112233. Thank you, Madhuri. The pearl chains used are not the silver ones, but you know, I really want to use the silver pearl chains. Maybe, you know, hopefully the next time we do a Champaswaralu, or you know, by the time next week, if we can get the pearls in silver, then we'll change them to the silver. The whole set will be in silver then, but a price will be different again then. Swapna Priya, hi. Vishaka Prasurna, hi. Thank you, Swapna Priya. Thank you so much. Okay, this one is another set of Champaswaralu or what you call ear chains. It's 12,000 and then there is with the flower ones and that's 9,000. Yeah, paina petition, the number is there, no? Dini price naku teliyadu okasari earrings price cheppesandi. Okay, it's a huge tag dishnamga. Okay, pearls ani use chesina paina chinna Swarovski pearls ana. Sarita, Roja Garu, do you have kids Champaswaralu? Ee kids Champaswaralu separate game ఉంటాయి Sarita. కొంచెం లెంత్ అటు ఇటుగా వీటినే కిడ్స్కి వాటి కింద చేసేయచ్చు. దిస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ Champaswaralu. మేబీ యూనో 1 ఇంచ్ తక్కువ చేసేస్తే ఇవి దే విల్ బి కిడ్స్ వన్స్. A huge necklace. It's amazingly huge, a prettiest of all. The pendant itself is like, you know, almost the size of my palm. It's not almost, it's the size of my palm. It's over 6 inches if I'm not wrong. A nice pretty intricate work of all murtis here, all kundans and the polish. will be a Geru polish. This is all peacocks on the sides. It's all peacocks. It's a heavy one. It's a heavy one, over 240 grams or so. If you want to make any changes to the beads, the beads can be changed. But the set, as set in the sense, I'm not including the earrings, people here. The neck piece alone is 72,000 rupees. The neck piece alone is 72,000 rupees. It's about 20 inches long. It's kind of a broad one. One piece is like, if you're going to wear this one, that would be more than enough. Looks amazing, pretty for all your pattu saris, Kanchipuram saris, or any of the saris, I would say. Only pendant can you give? Maybe, yeah. We can. There are hooks on the back. Let me just check. Yeah. We can deduct the hooks here, we can detach the hooks here, and we can do the pendant alone too. Yeah, we can do that. And again, this is the 925 hallmark. That's the 925 hallmark. It's a huge one. So the pendant, the necklace alone is 72,500. We try to match it with these pair of jhumkas, pretty jhumkas, more of a Geru copperish polish. Not very heavy though. And this is priced at 16,500. The jhumkas alone are priced at 16,500, and the necklace is priced at 72,000. So if you're planning to order this, it will be around 88,500 with this set. With the pair of earrings, it will be 88,000. Please tell the price of only pendant. Ruchi, I don't know, ma, because for me to tell you the price of pendant, I have to detach these and then wait and then tell you the price. The pendant alone should be coming up around 180 grams minimum, or a little more. And the pendant alone should be coming up around 50,000 rupees. Yeah, that should be the 50,000 rupees should be minimum price for the pendant. I'm not pretty much sure. I'll be able to give you an exact price only once I get the exact weight of this. It's a pure Nakshi handmade piece. All the silver jewelry is a handmade piece. Naina Singh, the exchange value would be 40% on the MRP. So this is 72,000. The 40% would be 28,800 would be what you'll be getting back. And this 16,500 is something around, you will be getting around 6,000 change, 6,600 I guess, if you're planning to exchange the jhumkas. This is 16,500. Ante na blasi 40%. Yeah. So, and the last one, these jhumkas. Pretty jhumkas. Okay, these are the jhumkas. Nice pretty jhumkas here in kundans and CZs. The length of the jhumkas is about 5 inches long. The pearls used are the freshwater culture pearls. The next piece what we are going to do will be in Swarovski pearls or the real pearls. I mean the same one, natural pearls. Then the price will be little different. But this piece, whatever we are showing now with the freshwater cultured pearls, and the beads used are also sapphire onyx beads. Rajeshwari, the material used is silver. Poonam, no Poonam, we have only one single design in silver. Finger ring, that's 1,500 rupees. Okay, these earrings are priced at okay, these are priced at 16,500. These earrings as is are priced at 16,500. The length is more. As said, it's about 5 inches long. If you want, Poonam Patel, please show me. Show you what, Poonam? I didn't get you, ma. Did I miss any of your messages? Okay, the ring, finger ring okati undi kada, silver, the 1,500 okati ichche blessing. Parajita, hi, how are you? So these extensions will be seen, and maybe, if you, sometimes you might lose a pearl here and there. These pearls need to be fixed with a glue, drop of glue, like the Fevikwik thing. If you lose any stone here and there, so that's the immediate remedy I'm telling you. The immediate remedy would be put a drop of glue and then just put the pearl back in. And this is priced at, these earrings as is are priced at 16,500. The sapphire beads used are not the original ones. Sapphire is original gaadu kada. Ade onyx vi gani real vi gaadu kada. Janu, hi, how are you? Aruna, hi, how are you? How are your kids doing? Poonam, these are the finger rings. This is the finger ring, which is 1500 rupees. You have 2 shades in this. Yeah, this is priced at 1500 ma. Each of that ring is 1500. I want to know Radha Krishna Radha jewelry set what material? This one, Rajeshwari garu, you are talking about this one. The all materials whatever I have shown today is in silver only. Generally I don't tend to mix both of the sets, like artificial and silver. It's very rarely that's been done, but yeah, all the sets whatever we have shown is or all silver, pure 925 silver. Okay, Ruchi, this is the one we were talking about, and this is priced at 7000 rupees. The way it is high as is priced at 7000 rupees. There are no earrings there. About you? I'm good, Janu, I'm good. So yes, these are the products for today. Yeah, I want to show this necklace though. Yeah, yes, a heavy neck piece, a heavy neck piece. These things are in trend now. Even in gold jewelry also they are doing all heavy sets. It's a huge one. I thought we'll do the set just the pendant and we'll add beads, but beads were becoming more routine, so we thought no, we'll do the typical chain itself, and this one is a pretty one. Poonam, no other ring. Thank you so much, Aruna. Thank you so much. No rings, Poonam. We don't do much of the rings, dear. The bangles itself, maintaining all those sizes becomes a huge, tedious task. And again, maintaining the rings of the different sizes, it will be another headache. So, just the only one design in silver that we carry. And these are the earrings. A little setting is there. Satya. Earrings are priced at 16,500. The earrings, and they are huge. Generally I don't tend to wear the longer ones, but they are looking good only. Even if you are like just a glimpse how it looks on me, it's looking good. So yeah, you have single long chain in silver with gold plated. No, Priya. No, the single long chains we don't. Poonam, this is a ring and this is in diamonds. It's not in silver. Okay. This pearl already పోయింది blessy. కొంచెం blue మంచి వెట్టి పెట్టమని చెప్పేసి. So, and these are the bangles. One last time I'll show you. Your black chain needed. I wore a different one. This is not full white. This is pink and like ruby and white. And this also looks much prettier. Ratna Sangeeta. What do I your designs? Take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 879-011-2233, or you can directly purchase from our website www.samskritijewellers.com. Do you have gold plated? This is silver gold plated. Satya, this is silver gold plated. Only silver ankondi. Okkasari oxy silver dedanna set chupi blessy. Only silver how it looks only. Satya, these are not gold, baby. No. Can't get a gold bangle for 11,500. Asha Praveen, hi. Rahul, hi. Okay. Only silver. Only pure 925 silver with no gold plating. This would be the finish. Okay. This would be the finish. Like on the back also, it will be all silver. Like the silver anklets kind of. This would be the finish for a pure silver 925 jewelry. If it's a 925 and then you want to have, then it's a gold plated, then that will be this is the way it comes up. Or any choker in gold finish lane chupi okasari renditki variation easy ga telustadi. Madhuri, I wanted to have wedding collection from you, please guide us. Sure, Madhuri, what is it you want to what guidance you need from us, let us know, because all our designs are there. Next time, show me the 2 strings of Nallapusalu, please. Okay, all our designs are there, and it's just that you have to pick them up from the Facebook page or our website or from our live shows, and then just hi auntie, hi. So pick them up and then send the screenshots to the WhatsApp. If they are available, yeah, we can go ahead and you can place an order. If they are not, then we'll let you know how things are going to work for that. Sandhya, see, any chain, any black beads chain. Okay, this is a single chain one which I have shown. If you want to do it in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 strings also, you can get it customized. And if you are showing any, what should I say, any 2 strings black beads chain, if you want to get it customized in single string, that can be done too. Bhakti Rai, hi. Okay, so this one, as said, it's in pure silver and oxy finish, and this one will be the silver with gold plating. That will be the difference. This looks more of silver only. Okay, this looks complete silver finish, and once it's done gold plating, this is the one it comes. Vaddanam designs in silver akka. Vaddanam design silver lo I don't have any, but if you send us any what should I say, design, we can get it done. Geeta Patil, any pendant? Already we have done a pendant show, Geeta Patil. Sangeeta, hi. I'm about to say bye. I have shown all. For you, I'll show one design, Sangeeta. I know you can rewind and once it gets posted to the FB, you can check it. I know. But still I want to show this. Black diamond chains are available. Yes, Sunita, they are available. Sangeeta and Shobhadevi auntie, me good. I know this not kind of your cup of tea, but this turned out mast pretty. So I really wanted to show you. Nagavini, hi. Yeah, this is amazing. Satya, the WhatsApp number paine on the 879-011-2233. Sorry. A little clumsy, huh? It's a mast pretty one, and this one. This bangle kuda. Ganesha bangle. I'll try to put a clear video of this soon on our page, maybe on Monday. Already 7:30, running late, and this Ganesha bangle is also must pretty. Actually, when you wear it also, it looks must pretty. Yeah. So these are the products for today. Again, any queries with the products? Rings levu, Sunita. No rings. Any queries with the products or the orders you have made, kindly WhatsApp us on 879-011-2233, and we'll be meeting you all on Wednesday. Moon, that necklace is 72,000 ma. The huge pendant necklace, this one. Yeah, this one. The pendant is this, almost this big. Can't get this type at low price, Satyaveni. See, the moment you want a quality product, the moment you want it to be customized, the moment you want to have a wow feel of a necklace or something, you have to put some price into it. The moment you compromise on the quality, so the pricing comes down if I compromise on the quality, and we really don't want to compromise on the quality of the pieces. Gold plated haram. See, this is the gold plated haram. Okay, Guttumala kavala. I'll show that too. Barsha, the price for that long thing is priced at 72,000 ma. Same here, Janu. Okay, this is a gold plated one which is priced at 28,000. It's a Buttumala, which is about 19 inches long. Neetu Gupta, this is 28,000. The big bridal haram. Yeah, Sangeeta, kind of a bridal haram, I would say, and that is priced at 72,000. So as said, these are the products for today. Let's meet all on Wednesday with most probably artificial collection or black beads. Not yet. I don't know. We'll come up with something on Wednesday. Hope to meet you all on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Until then, take care, stay safe, and have a very great weekend. Bye.